What is it, John Van Buskirk?
The 1.5" copper by 1.5" PVC adapter clamp.
Yeah, that's really, you know what? That's not a bad way to like shout it out. 1.5" copper by 1.5" PVC, no hub clamp, or what you're all going to learn pretty soon. The real name for a no hub clamp in your code book is elastomeric sealing sleeve with stainless steel band and clamps. So elastomeric sealing sleeve with stainless steel band right there and clamps. Again, we'll talk more about that as we move forward with your education, but can't just use any old no hub clamp or elastomeric sealing sleeve. You need to like be very specific when we're going from one material you're seeing here, copper tubing, to over the material here, which we call Schedule 40 PVC. Again, things you're learning about, things you will learn about if you haven't seen it already.